Hi everyone, and welcome to your intro for how to add and edit your blog posts. So here's your wellness site. If you go to up here and then click dashboard and then go down to posts, and then if you click all posts, you'll be able to see your current posts and you can add new. So first we're going to add a new post, and then if you just want to call this test post video, there's two things that you can do. If you just want it to be like a standard WordPress theme, you can just add in the visual text here and then add your media wherever you want to and scatter it around, just like that. But if you want to get more dynamic with it, with the visual builder, we'll just get rid of this and then use the Divi visual builder. So here you have a very blank template to do with what you want. You can either do what I did and go to your visual builder and add a section here, and then say you want it to be text, and then just start your blog post there. And then you can keep adding sections, just like I showed you in the Divi intro. You can add an area for an image, just like you would have in just like the regular WordPress theme, but just more organized, and the layout would look a lot better, as you can see. If it will upload. There we go. So there it is. And then you can drag and drop everything that you want. You can continue to add more sections and so on and so forth. And if you would like to just edit this in the back end where we started, let's click Save and Exit. And now we are back in our dashboard. So essentially you can do the exact same thing as you did in your visual builder. You can move things around. You can add modules. We want to add a bar counter or something, save and exit. We can move things, we can shift everything around, we can delete things, and so on and so forth. And to edit the permalink, just come up here and say you want it to say like my first blog post, and then click OK. It'll generate a little permalink there for you. You can put categories. You can add a new category if you want. So say this new category is test category, and then publish. Let's try that again, test category. There we go. And then update. So then you can add it to as many categories as you want to. And you can also add new categories from over here from posts and then categories. You can do the exact same thing. Right now we're just going to leave it as that. And you then need to add a featured image. This is what I want my featured image to be. I'm going to set it and I'm going to update it. So now if we go to my website and then over to blog, there it is. So here is our new blog post with the set featured image. We're going to click this, and then there is our blog post. So this is also in the home area. If you scroll all the way down, new on the blog. So these will automatically pop up. Now, to edit your blog area on both your blog page and new on the blog, we'll just start over here on the blog page just to make it as least complicated as possible. If we enable the visual builder, we can come down here and we can choose which categories we're going to want on our blog. So right now, I only have uncategorized included, but whenever you make a new category, you're going to want to make sure that it's clicked on both of your blog areas. So how to do that? Just come down here on your Visual Builder, scroll over the gray module settings bar, click the little gear icon, and then have it include test category, uncategorized, etc. However many categories you want, just always make sure to come back over here and include them. And you can also change the date format if I just want like year, month. You'll see now that it's just 2018 June. So I'm going to close out of that. And you can also show like the excerpt. You don't have to. You can show the entire content. You can have a read more button, which I recommend including on your blog. So down here, there's a read more button. And you can show the date, you can show the categories, you can show the comment count, anything that you want. Show author, you can choose to not show the author, especially if you are just a party of one and you don't need to show the author. Like for example, if I was just using this website for myself, I don't really need to show the author because they know that I'm always going to be the author, so I can go ahead and click no on that. But if you do have guest authors, I do recommend having that. And that is it. That is how you add a new blog